from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss my next topic, that is the zinc stearate. Their chemical formula is CS3CH2 16CO2 Zn. After ignition, it contains not less than 12.5% and not more than 14% of ZnO. Their properties are the white in color, faint characteristic odor, light fine bulky powder free from grittiness, tasteless, practically soluble in water, alcohol and ether. Their chemical properties are they hydrolyzed by heating in the dill mineral acid to form a soluble zinc stearate, moistened to the litmus paper. Next is the assay. Analyzed by the complexometry method, an ignited and cooled sample is dissolved in excess acid H2SO4 by boiling. Residue washed with water to free from the acidity. Combined the filtrate and titrated against the disodium EDTA solution using the ammonium chloride buffer and the black tea as an indicator. Next is the uses. They are used as the astringent and the antimicrobial, soothing and the protective agent, and used in the dusting powder, ointment, cream in the treatment of inflammatory condition, and used in the skin problem where the large amount of water is exuded because it will not form the patches. Used as the lubricant in the processing of tablets, causes the pulmonary inflammation if inhaled. Next is the titanium dioxide. Their chemical formula is the TiO2 and molecular weight is the 79.90. It contains not less than 98% of the TiO2 derived substance. Their properties like color, white color and odorless, amorphous and fluffy powder, tasteless, practically soluble in water and in dill mineral acid. It dissolved slowly in hot H2SO4. Next is the assay. It is analyzed by the complex metric titration, sodium EDTA back titration method. Sample is dissolved in the hot H2SO4 using ammonium sulfate with the definite volume H2O2, strong ammonia solution, hexamine buffer and excess disodium EDTA is added and excess is back titrated. Next is the storage. Stored in a well closed container. And next is the use. Topical preparation due to its opacity nature. Due to its opacity nature, it is used for screening out the UV radiations in various sun creams and sunscreen products to prevent the sunburn. Due to its white color, it is used in the cosmetic preparations and in paints. In today's class, I discuss about the titanium dioxide and also about the zinc stearate. Thank you for watching.